Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gourmet Gharana. Today we present to you an extremely simple everyday recipe that is easy to make and can be cooked in a very short time. We present cabbage curry, also called Patta Gobhi Sabzi. So grab your aprons and let's get cooking. For the recipe today, I'm using this whole cabbage. Let's chop it up first. Make sure you chop it finely so it is evenly cooked. So here it is, I have my cabbage chopped up and ready to go. Now transfer the chopped cabbage to a pan on medium-low heat. Add in a teaspoon of salt and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Cover and cook, ensuring you give it a quick mix every few minutes. Cook till the cabbage loses its crunch and is soft but not mushy. The whole process took me about 20 to 25 minutes. Once the cabbage is well cooked, we will add in the very basic masalas, that is haldi and chili powder. Give it all a good mix and cover and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Take off the lid, mix and garnish with cilantro and add more oil if needed. Continue cooking till the oil starts separating. And there it is. You have made yourself a quick cabbage curry to enjoy. Do give this recipe a try and follow us on Instagram and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such easy everyday recipes. Thanks for watching.